fleet manager today really is a person who has to learn how to work with data, information, to effectively take care of our fleets.
Could you maybe talk about where does someone start? Where do they even begin when trying to develop a fleet maintenance program?
It's interesting that you should mention that because I've had presented a couple of different conferences on how I went about doing that. When I came here, it was just a bare building. So I started off, first of all, order all the tools and equipment. So I have to develop a maintenance program, which was a requirement from both the feds and the state as well.
If you like what you hear, listen to the entire episode by visiting fleetio.com/podcast, Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever else you get your podcasts. Let's decode the world of fleet management together.